What's up, everybody? I'm here inside the Smash Lab. It's inside the Nugsmasher factory in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, where all the Nugsmashers are built. And I want to talk to you a little bit about our new pricing at nugsmasher.com and bundle pricing. A lot of people don't understand or really get the concept of it, but want to show you, we have the web team's been working on our all brand new pricing at nugsmasher.com. Everything's been priced at the absolute lowest price of the year. For nugsmasher.com, so you can see all the pricing on there. But what I wanted to share with you is we have brand new bundles. So we have some product bundle that are brand new to nugsmasher.com, and I want to tell you what you get inside the bundles and why they're so beneficial to the customers. What we do is we sell the product. Let's see, we'll click on the XP here. We sell the product, and then we give you the bundles, everything you're going to need, all the accessories in the bundle for an absolute lower than wholesale cost. So if you look at the essential bundle, for instance, and we go and add our essential bundle, I guess the best way to see it's add it to the cart, and we go up to the cart, and we got an XP essential bundle in there, and it shows you all the bags and everything that we're going to need that's in that essential bundle, your collection plate, a magnet shield, magnets, pre-pressed molds. You can get a dab mat and a can of cone filler kit in there. But I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Bag regular price $19.95, $12.84 when you buy the bundle. The 37 micron or $13.92. So you can see just in the bags and then everything else clearly marked there, you get the biggest savings ever on the accessories when you buy the product bundles. So keep that in mind. Also, check out all of our product pages for all the new bundles. So you can find our bundles right on the shop page on each individual product. Just click on the product, and obviously the bundles will appear, the options will appear. So you got the product by itself at the very bottom here, and then you'll have a bunch of different bundles with the XP. And I want to draw you guys to the grower bundles that we have now, because we put two bundles together. We put a sifter bundle and an XP bundle together, a sifter bundle and an IQ bundle together, to make a grower essential bundle. So check that out. It has an actual machine and, well, two machines, you know, a press and a sifter for dry sift, keef, so on and so forth. You can do it with a Nugsmasher Nug Sifter. They're great machines. Remember, everything's warranted for life. All of our products have a complete lifetime warranty. And let me just take a moment to walk through our product line with you so you guys can actually see, sorry about that, guys. You can actually see the size of the products. And I'll talk a little bit about the weight. This is the sifter. You can see how big the sifter is. The sifter has variable speed, so you can change the speed and direction. Has a light on the sifter, and it comes with 3 different size micron bags. Great product. I have customers that use this product 24/7 since they've gotten them for years and years and years. So Nug Sifter, check it out. It can be a very beneficial item for a grower out there. And then we also have with the bundles of the sifter, one of the main things is a funnel. That's how you fill the drum of the sifter. I can kind of show you guys real quick. Turn it off. We'll bring this out. There's a door that just opens with these thumb screws here. You can set this up in the sifter and then fill it with the drum is how we, or with the funnel is how we typically do it. So if you're gonna put 2 or 3 pounds in there, it's really easy to set it there and pour them in through this big funnel that hooks onto the edge of that drum. So you also, there's spare drums available and bags and everything else. We have them all here in the factory. But when you couple the sifter with an actual press, you now have 2 of the really essential machines, and then all of the accessories that you're really going to need, any grower's going to need. So we bundle the sifter together with the IQ, the XP, the Nugsmasher Pro, and the Pro Touch, and also the Touch machine, which is a great machine. So at the bottom of our lineup, in terms of rosin presses, we have the Nugsmasher Mini, which is a portable machine. Now you have the 2x2 plates on the Mini, which limits the surface area pressure and allows you to get that sweet spot on flour somewhere between 500 and 700 material psi. Also, we got videos on the Mini, doing isolate, you know, hash extractions, you name it. It's been done on the Mini. But this is where we would start. I use my Mini for travel. So if I'm going out of town, I take it with me so I can make fresh concentrates for myself in the area that I'm in. So, and then we go up to the Nugsmasher XP. And what's unique about the XP is much bigger plates, much bigger machine, as you can see, but it measures the hydraulic fluid pressure inside the ram of the machine. And coupled with our Nugsmasher app, this is how you're able to tell the machine how much surface area, how big, you know, you're pressing, how much surface area is between the plates, and then what the applied material PSI to that surface area is. So this is a key for hash extraction or flour extraction, not to overpressurize, to know exactly what's between the plates and be able to extract it consistently each and every time. So that's what you get with the Nugsmasher XP. Great machine. Has 4 heaters in the plates, 2 in each. You know, it has the Nugsmasher 710 PIDs. Really good product. Warranted for life. As you see it here, it has the magnet shield on it and the rosin shield. And then we go from the XP over to the Nugsmasher Touch, which is virtually the same machine that the XP, except with a full digital touchscreen. So you can have our Nugsmasher calculator, hooks up to Wi-Fi, does all the goodies here in the Nugsmasher Touch, you know, but still manual pressure application with the pump. Then you go over to the Nugsmasher IQ, which is the same heat plate size as the Nugsmasher Touch and the XP, but it gives you fully automatic use. Tons of video, too much in this video to list about the Nugsmasher IQ or talk about, but tons of videos on the Nugsmasher IQ. You can do everything on this machine, from flour extractions to isolations to hash, to concentrates, decarb. You can decarboxylation, you know, the decarboxylation option on here is really amazing. It works with our my cans are cold. It works with our decarb capsules and does all the work for you, so you don't have to worry about it, you know, blowing up or anything else. Lets it cool down and everything else. The IQ just does too much to list. On the setting page, you know, in the terp files, I mean, the setting page goes to the moon, but you can get terp files on here real time once you hook it up to Wi-Fi and get it up to your network. And then you're able to load your recipes from terp files right into the machine and do them over and over again. So if you have a repeatability issue, if you're a manufacturer out there and you have 7 or 8 of our machines, it's super easy to lock the recipes in so that your extractors can give you consistent results every time. So make sure you check that out at nugsmasher.com. Amazing machine. And then you go from there to the Nugsmasher Pro. And when I show the Pro, I got this little IQ test plate here, and you can see the difference in size. I mean, just absolutely massive. We'll put that to the end of it. So it's double and double. They're 7 by 10 inch heat plates. Way different heater setup. This thing's made to be used all day long, every day. It's more of a commercial machine, and you can do much larger extractions with it. So, you know, I have customers that do, you know, over 1 pound of hash extractions on these. So you could do massive extractions on the Nugsmasher Pro. It's a pneumatic machine. It also works with the Nugsmasher app. There's a special setting on the Nugsmasher app just for the Pro measurement and surface area measurement and size. And then from the Pro, you go to our massive commercial machine, which is the Pro Touch. It has the functionality of the touch screen that the IQ does, and many of the options that the IQ has, made for more of a commercial use. A pneumatic machine, really a beast of a machine. All of our machines are completely covered with a lifetime warranty. Here at the Nugsmasher factory, we build them right here at our factory in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. We're here to answer any questions for you, calls. We're always available. You can chat with us at nugsmasher.com. And honestly, guys, we just appreciate everyone out there. We appreciate you watching this video. We really appreciate your support for the American-made Nugsmasher brand. And look forward to seeing you guys. Look forward to seeing your results. Comment, like, make sure you ring a bell so we're doing something special. You're getting notified. And again, from the bottom of my heart and everyone that works here at the Nugsmasher factory, we appreciate you guys. I want to wish you a very, very special happy holiday season. Until next time.